Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We carry several of the top knife brands, and that includes Case knives. Our latest video is on the Case Red Stag small Stockman knife. The part number is 09449. So this knife features 3 blades, features a clip blade, Sheepfoot, and pin blades. They're constructed with Case's Tru-Sharp, which is a special high carbon steel that helps the blades hold an edge longer than conventional steel. The handle is made from genuine India stag, and it measures 2.63 inches when closed and only weighs 1.1 ounce. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to alert you to new products, specials, how-to videos, and discount codes. Please see below for pricing and a link to our listing. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.